You can choose where to take your vehicle for collision repairs. So how do you pick which collision repair facility is right for you? Look for quality, safety, integrity, and service when deciding where to take your vehicle for repair.
When it comes to your car, quality is everything. You know that repairs are getting done properly when a shop uses original equipment parts. One thing to keep in mind, your repair facility warranties the repair.
You also know that a quality collision repair center puts your safety first. Safe collision repairs are conducted by qualified, trained technicians and shops who follow manufacturer's repair procedures on all vehicles, no matter the damage.
Another great way to choose a collision repair facility is by their reputation. Online reviews and others' experiences give you insight on the shop's integrity. You want a collision repair facility you can trust.
Trustworthy collision repair centers make their customers feel confident about their experience. Find a professional that communicates transparently and keeps you informed during your vehicle's collision repair.
You deserve quality, safety, integrity, and service for your vehicle's repair. Find the right collision center for you.